Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, and welcome to the Facebook Pixel tutorial. So what we're going to see in this tutorial is basically how Facebook pixels work, the back end of the ads manager, but then also what I'm going to do to make things a bit easier and less complicated for this video is show you how to run an ad in Shopify as well in case you have a dropshipping store. And I also wanted to make this video to highlight my dropshipping store as many people have asked me about it. So once you're in the ads manager, you want to click up here. Once you click up here, you can see you have the ads manager, the business settings, the events manager. So I'm actually in the events manager and then I'm under the store that I want. So the store that I have is the portable store, the portable dog water bottle, but the account is under Pittsburgh, under Facebook, and we can see here we have the pixel. So what's a pixel? Well, pixels can be used to track things such as website visitors, how many people check out, retargeting them. Basically, it tracks all your data, retargets you. So say you added something to your cart and then you left because you didn't have your cart on you or you just decided you didn't want to buy it. Well, the pixel is going to allow me or whoever to send you an email a few minutes later saying, hey, you left this in your cart, or retarget you with future ads of similar interest. So we can see the pixel that we have for portable is right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this pixel and then go into settings in my Shopify store. And we're then going to run an ad through Shopify. That way we kind of get an all-inclusive tutorial. I will make another tutorial on just running ads through the ads manager in the future, but I figured this was kind of a different project and a more complicated project, really. So we're going to copy this here. Once we're here, we're going to go over to our portable. We can see that once you have a Shopify store, you're going to go into your preferences. So to get here, you actually, you want to click on the online store section. It's going to be collapse, not expand. It's going to expand. You're going to go preferences. Once you're in preferences, you're going to go get your Facebook pixel. Sorry, can't talk. You can copy it here, and then once you have your pixel, you're going to save it. And of course, we're going to actually copy all of this too, just for some copy we're going to do in the ad. And then we have this. Perfect. Perfect. And we're going to save. So let me go back. And just make sure it's saved. Yes, it's saved, so we're going to go ahead and make sure the pixels are the same. We have 702 ending with 168. We go back to the pixel, we have 702 ending with 168. So give me 1 second, and we're going to go into the second part of the video. I just have to splice out some personal information, so hold on. Welcome to the second part of the video. So the next thing I did once I made sure my pixel was connected to my Shopify store is I then go into marketing, click on campaigns, and I pick what kind of campaign I want. So I want a Facebook audience building ad. However, as I said, you can do retargeting, you can do whatever, but for purposes of this video and purposes of what I want to do, we're going to go with the Facebook audience building ad. So now that we have this here, I'm going to rename this, and you'll see all the ad stuff pop up over here as I design it. I actually prefer designing these ads in the Shopify builder because it's just easier and more convenient. However, to be more specific, I recommend the ad manager, and I will make a video on that later on. So here we go into the portable relaunch campaign. I can't spell, but we'll call it the portable relaunch, and we'll put a hyphen just for some reason. So I don't even know that's how you spell it. We're going to pick the product here, and you'll see these ads populate over here on the preview of activity. So we're going to click it here. We have the portable travel water bowl. And it should load here in a second. Perfect. I said perfect and didn't load. We'll go into the next thing here. We'll search for discount. Oh, it's loading. So we'll search for discount codes. I don't know if my internet's being slow or what's going on with that. And the text is obviously going to change, but we can see the product here with a fine looking young pup. So now we're going to add a discount code. So we know with most of my products, I usually give out discount codes. Like for my home health course, I give 40% off. For this, I give 10% off just because it's a relatively cheap product, and 10% off usually encourages people to buy it. So we're going to go and we're going to add the 10% off code right here, Hydrate 10. So if you're watching this video and you want to pick up one of these for your pup, go ahead and use that code Hydrate 10, and I'll post a link below as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change this text here to kind of what I copied from earlier. So it says, whether you are on the road or the run, portable is soon to be the best friend, the man's best friend. The portable is a water bottle made specifically to help your dog drink easily no matter where you go. Actually, that might be too much text. Now that I'm seeing it in the ad, what we can change it to is, let me see here. We'll just put all in one, bottle and bowl. Just because sometimes you get in too much trouble for text with Facebook. I've said this before in other videos, but sometimes they'll be like, your ad's banned for using too much text. Oh, your ad's banned even though it's your own store because it's MLM scheme, or it's, you know, it makes people feel bad because it's weight shaming. That was a picture of a dog. Unfortunately, their algorithm just flags a bunch of stuff. Sometimes you have to request manual review, but to not get flagged, we're going to use less text. So it's just all in one, bottle and bowl. And so let's put the ultimate, just write better copy. The ultimate one, all in one, dog water bottle, oop, can't spell water, dog water bottle and bowl. So we have that, copy looks good, ad looks good. I actually do have a video that actually has gotten more engagement with this product, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for right now for purposes of this video. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick our audience. So that we want similar to our online store visitors. We could do that, but because I'm relaunching this, we're actually gonna target people who like dogs. Why? Because it's a broader reach. So we're going to go here, specific audiences. We're going to put in dogs. 500 million people like dogs. That's a broad enough audience for me. We're going to target men and women. We're going to go age range 24 to 50, just because those are people that tend to buy products online, like Facebook ads. Under 24 people usually don't have any money yet. Over 50 people are afraid to give their credit card information online. So we're going to leave that there. And again, before we did all of this, the most important step is to make sure that pixel matches. So once we go in here, we see the daily budget of $35. No, that's not going to happen right now. We're going to do a $5 daily budget, and we're going to run this for 7 days. We can see that right now the ad's going to run in about 6 minutes. That's good. However, if you know you're going to spend more time on your ad, I recommend extending this out about 30 minutes so you don't get flagged for like running an ad in the past date. But we can see this good looking young pup here with his bottle, and we're going to go ahead and publish this ad. So we're going to publish it right now, and then we'll see what happens. So we're going to publish, and the campaign was created. So hopefully this video was helpful. That is how you know what your pixel is. Know that it's working will be another topic at some other time, but hopefully this explained what a pixel is, how it works, how you can connect it to your website. And then if you have a Shopify store, this is how you would run an ad through the Shopify dropshipping store. However, obviously if you don't have a product or a Shopify store, you're not gonna be running ads either way without a product. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, comments, complaints, concerns, comment below. Also make sure you click the link below, use code HYDRATE10 and pick up a bottle for your pup. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Again, I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist, and I hope this video was informative.